So we're going to start with a giant size Cinnamon Toast Crunch box. I believe actually any giant size General Mills cereal will work. We're going to tape off any opening, and anything that's kind of being stubborn, we're going to super glue into place. I know super glue holds, maybe something else will. I use super glue. We're going to paint the whole thing with black gesso. It will adhere just fine to the glossy box, and then you can second coat it with more black gesso, or you can hit it with paint. Then we're going to take the width of the ruler and kind of create a frame around the front facade of the box, and then cut out the middle. Make sure you get big pieces here. We're going to use them later. And then we are going to kind of seal that rough edge, paint over that, and paint over the inside of the box. Then with your download, we are going to wash in with kind of a watercolor approach the insides of that. Then we're going to build our spooky tree with dollar store foam bones. This is how I did it. You can do it any way you want. You can see here it's kind of a 1, 2, 3, 4 down the middle, and then some bones that poke out across the way with hot glue. Then I made a trunk. Then we're going to layer these in. We're going to start with hot gluing in the tree. Goes right in the middle. Then we're going to hot glue in our little paintings that I cut to size. And tip there, be sure to print on cardstock. It will hold up a whole lot better. I made kind of a front piece here that I'm going to hide these little LED tea lights behind. And then I used some fiber fill. And there you have it.